Do. Oh, those are some pretty big clouds. Okay, stay calm. Stay calm. Okay. Excuse me. You're gonna have to get a little water. It's very dangerous. Oh, remember your training. Okay, episode 2, season 3, Baywatch. Hasselhoff saved a girl from a thunderstorm. Okay. I can do this. He just jumped in the water and he saved her. Why don't I ever go in the water? I'm not scared of the water. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm jumping in the water. Okay, on the count of 3. Okay, 1, 2. Oh no. Maybe I should see if she's okay. That tent looks pretty safe. Oh, I don't know. The Hoff would have saved her.